Assalamu alaikum, class 7. Today we have to do question number 15 to 18 of revision algebra. Question number 15 is find the greatest common factor of these parts. Greatest common factor means we have to find the GCF of these parts. So the first part is AB into A minus B. The second term is A square into A minus B. And the third term is B square into A minus B whole square. So we have to find the greatest common factor. So simply we have to write its factors, that AB into A minus B can be written as A times B times A minus B. So these three factors. Now A square into A minus B. A square means A times A and A minus B. The third term is B square into A minus B whole square. So B square can be written as B times B, and A minus B whole square means 2 times A minus B. Now we have to take the common factor in three terms, that is A minus B. Only A minus B is common in these three terms. So A minus B is the greatest common factor of these. Second part is A square BC, AB square C and AB C square. A square BC can be written as 2 times A, means A times A times B times C. A B square C can be written as A times B times B times C, 2 times B. A B C square means A times B times C multiplied by C 2 times. Now we have to take the common in the three terms. So A is common in the three terms, B is common and C is common. So greatest common factor is ABC. Third part is AB square into A plus B whole square. A square B into A square minus B square. A square B square into A plus B. A B square into A plus B whole square can be written as A. B square means 2 times B, and A plus B whole square means A plus B times A plus B 2 times. Now A square B into A square minus B square is equals to A square B can be written as A 2 times A and B, 2 times A and B. A square minus B square is the identity, that is A plus B into A minus B. A square B square into A plus B can be written as A square means 2 times A and B square means 2 times B multiplied by A plus B. Now we have to take the common terms, that is A is common in the three terms, B is common in these terms, and A plus B is common in the three terms. So greatest common factor is A, B into A plus B. The next question is question number 16, that is solve. Now we have to solve these linear equations. The first part is x plus 2 over 3 equals to 2x plus 3 over 4. So there are two methods to solve this equation. The first one is that you have to take the LCM of 3 and 4 and you have to multiply on both sides by their LCM. But the second method is that which we have to follow today, that is you have to do cross multiplication, that is 4 times x plus 2 equals to 3 times 2x plus 3. This is the process of cross multiplication. Now you have to multiply by 4 with this bracket. We get 4x plus 4 2s are 8 equals to 3 2s are 6x plus 3 3s are 9. Now you have to separate the like terms, that is 6x, 4x will become negative 4x on the right hand side, that will be 6x minus 4x, and 8 minus 9. Now 8 minus 9 will equals to minus 1 equals to 6x minus 4x, that will be 2x. 2 is multiplied here, it will be divided on the left hand side, and we will get negative 1 over 2 equals to x. This is the answer. The second part is x over 2 plus 3 equals to x over 3 plus 4. Firstly, we have to separate the like terms, that is x over 2 minus x over 3 equals to 4 negative 3. Now the LCM of 2 and 3 is 6, so multiplying on both sides by 6, that is 6 times x over 2 negative 6 times x over 3 equals to 4 minus 3, that is 1. So 6 times 1. Now on the table of 2, 2 1s are 2 and 2 3s are 6, 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, we will get 3x minus 2x equals to 6 1s are 6. 3x minus 2x, we will get simple x as x is equals to 6. This is the required answer. Third part is 0.3x plus 4 equal to 0.7x plus 8. Firstly, we have to separate the like terms, that is 0.7x minus 0.3x. 4 minus 8. So 4 minus 8, that is equals to negative 4 equals to 0.7x minus 0.3, we will get 0.4x. Now 0.4 can be written as 4 over 10 after removing this point. Now 10 is divided here, it will be multiplied on the left hand side. Negative 4 times 10 and 4 is multiplied, it will be divided equals to x. Now 4 is cancel out this 4 and we will get negative 10 equals to x. Question number 17 is the difference of 27 and 5 times a natural number is 13. Find the number. So firstly we have to suppose the number that is x because the number is not given. Now according to given condition they said the difference of 27 and 5 times a natural number. So the number will be x. So the 5 times the number, that is 5x. So and the difference of 27. So the difference of 27 and 5 times a number is 13. Find the number. So simply we have to find the value of x. So negative 27 will become positive 27 on the right hand side. 5x is equals to 13 plus 27, that is 40, and 5 is multiplied here, so it will be divided on the right hand side and we will get x is equals to 8 after the cancellation on the table 5. So the number is 8. Okay students, question number 18 is consists of MCQ based question. Alright students, in this lecture we have completed our revision algebra, and in the next lecture inshallah we have to start our test paper number 2. Take care students. Allah Hafiz.